Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my fruity orange slab. I'm using orange polymer clay. This is Premo Scupey brand, and I'm using my smallest cutter. I start out with either a white background, a black background, or as you see here I have white with black sand. If you want to see that tutorial, stay tuned to the end and you can see that tutorial on my channel as well. It's a very quick video. It's just white clay with black sand. So find your smallest round cutter or whatever size you would like your oranges to be and just cut them out. And then you can just place them down however you'd like. I had a little pattern going here, so it can be random or close together, far apart, whatever you'd like. And when I press these in, it's very lightly. If you have fingerprints that go into the clay, it doesn't really matter because we're going to be adding texture anyway. So I'm just filling in a few spots that I think could use another orange. And try one more. Now we're going with a forest green color in Premo. And you can use any clay you'd like, as I always say. Just use your favorite brand, just not Scupey 3 usually. You can use Scupey 3 for other things. I always let my kids play with it, sometimes I do test earrings with it, or you can do some fine details and it won't break off or anything, but I don't like using it for these larger oranges or lemons or anything like that because it can easily break or scratch. So for the leaves, this is all very similar to my lemon leaf tutorial. If you haven't seen that, I just kind of roll out the green and then I cut small pieces for the leaves, and they can be big, small, however you want them. I mean, all leaves look different, so I like these to have a nice organic look to them. And then I just squeeze and kind of pinch the end of the leaf together. And you can do this multiple ways. I've rolled it out before into like a small oval, and then I kind of just press down lightly and then pinch the bottom like that. And I know there are much better ways to make leaves. There's even leaf cutters that make it much easier, but I didn't have them today, so I'm just working with what I have. And now I'll show you another leaf or two, and then I'll speed up the video and then show you how to do the texture on the oranges and the leaves. And again, if you've seen my lemon tutorial, it's pretty much the same, so you don't have to finish watching this if you don't want to. But if you haven't seen the lemon tutorial, then I'll show you. Okay, here are the rest of the leaves. And now you want to grab a toothpick for the texture or any pointy object that you have and just lightly press into each orange. And I go through the whole orange instead of half like I did with the lemons. And then I'll show you the leaves as well. So now I just take the pointier end of the toothpick and I go towards the end of the leaf, and I kind of just either slide it or just press down with one quick motion. Either way works, and you can even scrape it a little bit if you'd like to draw the line yourself, but sometimes that will pick up some clay and it won't look as clean. Now you can just pick whatever cutter you'd like. I'm using arches, and I think I'll go with some bigger statement studs because I don't have enough room to do the ovals that I wanted to do. But that's all right because these are so easy to make. I can just make them again. And now I'll just show you what the scraps can turn into. I always like to take my scraps and run them through the pasta machine afterwards and see what color comes out. So this is like a pistachio kind of green color, and this could be nice alone, or you can add different colors to it to enhance it.